In today's fast-paced world, juggling multiple projects, deadlines, and teams can feel like a high-wire act without a safety net. Emails get lost, spreadsheets become tangled webs, and staying on top of everything often feels like a Herculean task. Enter Smartsheet, a dynamic work management platform that acts as your project management safety net, offering a powerful and intuitive way to organize, track, and execute your initiatives. As a project management expert, I've seen firsthand how Smartsheet can transform the way teams work, boosting efficiency, improving collaboration, and ultimately leading to project success. Let's delve into the compelling advantages that make Smartsheet a game-changer for individuals and organizations alike. 1. Effortless organization and planning. At its core, Smartsheet excels at bringing order to chaos. Think of it as a supercharged spreadsheet, specifically designed for managing projects and workflows. Its familiar grid-based interface makes it incredibly easy to get started, eliminating the steep learning curve often associated with complex project management software. You can effortlessly create project plans, break down tasks into manageable subtasks, assign responsibilities, and set deadlines. The visual nature of Smartsheet allows you to see the entire project lifecycle at a glance, fostering clarity and ensuring everyone understands their roles and timelines. 2. Real-time collaboration and communication. Gone are the days of sifting through endless email threads to find the latest project updates. Smartsheet fosters seamless collaboration by providing a central hub for all project-related information. Team members can directly update task statuses, add comments, attach relevant files, and engage in discussions within the context of specific tasks. This real-time communication eliminates information silos, reduces misunderstandings, and keeps everyone on the same page, regardless of their location. 3. Enhanced visibility and transparency. One of the biggest hurdles in project management is maintaining visibility into progress and potential roadblocks. Smartsheet offers powerful features that provide a clear and transparent view of project status. Customizable dashboards and reports allow you to track key metrics, identify bottlenecks, and monitor overall progress against goals. This enhanced visibility empowers project managers to proactively address issues, make informed decisions, and keep stakeholders informed. 4. Streamlined workflow automation. Manual, repetitive tasks can drain valuable time and resources. Smartsheet's automation capabilities allow you to streamline workflows, freeing up your team to focus on more strategic activities. You can set up automated alerts for upcoming deadlines, status changes, or overdue tasks. You can also create automated approval processes, ensuring that critical steps are completed efficiently. These automations not only save time but also reduce the risk of human error. 5. Flexible and customizable solutions. Every project is unique, and a one-size-fits-all approach rarely works. Smartsheet offers a high degree of flexibility and customization, allowing you to tailor the platform to your specific needs. You can create custom columns, define unique workflows, and build dashboards that display the information most relevant to your projects. This adaptability makes Smartsheet suitable for a wide range of industries and project types, from marketing campaigns and software development to event planning and construction management. 6. Robust reporting and analytics. Understanding project performance is crucial for continuous improvement. Smartsheet provides robust reporting and analytics capabilities that allow you to gain valuable insights into your projects. You can generate various reports to track progress, identify trends, analyze resource allocation, and measure team performance. These data-driven insights empower you to make informed decisions, optimize your processes, and deliver better results in the future.